With so many options and close alternatives, how will you choose a career that is right for you? In addition to assessing yourself first to learn about yourself, your values, interests, aptitudes, and soft skills, knowing the best careers for your future certainly help you decide and choose the right career path. As a student, your parents or friends may ask you where you want to go to college, what you want to study, and what career you want to have. With the rapid speed of technological advancement, it can be difficult to predict what the labor market will look like 5 years from now or in the following years. It is important that you have to actively do some career research and plan. Welcome to Keep Adding Values. In this video, I will share with you 7 best careers for your future. Number 1. Cybersecurity Specialists. It is very evident that the world increasingly becomes even more digital, and the government and businesses have been increasing their reliance on technology to collect and store personal data of their customers. This has led to a rise in the number of cybercrime attacks, from small breaches to a global scale affecting billions of users. According to Statista, there were more than 1,500 data breaches reported in 2019 in US alone. This was a significant increase from the 498 cases reported a decade prior. As cybercrimes become more rampant and the threat of digital attacks continues to rise, businesses and organizations worldwide are spending more on cybersecurity in an attempt to circumvent such breaches. This results the rise on the annual worldwide spend on cybersecurity from 75.6 billion in 2015 to 124 billion US dollars in 2019. With so much on the line, it's no surprise that companies are willing to pay for someone to protect their data and their clients. The best way to start your path in cybersecurity is with information technology, a bachelor degree in computer science, and another related fields. Number 2. Data Analysts. A data analyst collects the data to identify trends and provide the management with valuable information that they can use to improve marketing, operational, and business practices. Data analysts' main duties include identifying, gathering, analyzing data, and making their insights accessible to the company through graph presentation, charts, tables, and reports. Which industries offer the most opportunities for data analysts? Generally, the demand for data analysts is on the increase, and these professionals should find it relatively easy to find employment. A wide range of businesses and industries are making use of data analysts, including schools, pharmaceutical companies, banks, manufacturers, and software developers. In the business sectors, the finance and investments, technology, and marketing sectors are employing the most data analysts. The field of data analytics has favorably exploded in the last decade. It is a fast-growing field with vast opportunities for college graduates. Number 3. Registered Nurse. Registered nurses are responsible for monitoring a patient's condition, performing medical procedures, and administering medicine. They may also be responsible for assisting a patient's loved ones to learn how to perform specific tasks like changing dressings or administering medications once the patient goes home. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs for nurses are expected to increase 12%, much higher than average, between 2018 and 2028. In fact, employment projection between 2016 and 2026 report the registered nursing profession is among the top occupations expected to experience job growth through 2026. So what are the factors of this high demand? Registered nurses are retiring. The population is aging rapidly. A new age of health reform has been implemented. Nurses will need to develop additional skills and so much more. For students, this is one of the careers that you may consider and earn the qualifications you need to become a nurse. Number 4. Phlebotomist. Phlebotomist may not sound familiar to you, and a few people probably know the term phlebotomist or phlebotomy technician. But it's the healthcare professional who draws blood, ensuring that the proper amount is taken and that all blood is properly labeled. A phlebotomist works as part of a nursing team within hospitals and clinics. Phlebotomists also work in laboratories as part of research team. If you enjoy working with people and are patient and compassionate, this could be a future career for you. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 17.2% employment growth for phlebotomists between 2019 and 2029. In that period, an estimated 22,800 jobs should open up. Number 5. Computer Systems Analysts. Computer system analysts evaluate a company's current technology programs and implement new systems that enhance the organization's operations and productivity levels. They carefully research each potential software system's features to determine its costs and if it provides significant value to the company's operational processes. According to Bureau of Labor and Statistics, employment of computer systems analysts is projected to grow 7% from 2020 to 2030, about as fast as the average for all occupations. 47,500 openings for computer system analysts are projected each year. Number 6. Web developer. A web developer or website developer is responsible for using their knowledge of programming language to code websites and web applications. Their duties include communicating with clients to determine their needs and design preferences, creating code for the front and back end of a website, and running tests to ensure that they use the correct coding strings. Based on the Bureau of Labor and Statistics report, the job outlook and employment of web developers and digital designers is projected to grow 13% from 2020 to 2030, faster than the average for all occupations. About 17,900 openings for web developers and digital designers are projected each year. Web design jobs plays a very important role and in demand in this digital age. Number 7. Compliance officers. Are compliance officers in demand? Due to the growing maze of laws, regulations, licensing, and permits, there is an increase in need of compliance officers. Their duties include coordinating with company management to identify potential risks, implementing policies and procedures to uphold laws and regulations, and monitoring the company's adherence to those policies and procedures. According to U.S. News, compliance officers rank number 7 in best business jobs. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 4.6% employment growth for compliance officers between 2019 and 2029. In that period, an estimated of 15,600 jobs should open up. Before you decide what career to pursue, carefully consider your options and ask yourself the following questions. What are my interests? What are my skills? What are my talents and strengths? What is my personality? What are my values? What education or training do I need? Are there jobs available in this career? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.